Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. It's time today for another arpeggio. If you've watched the previous videos, you have noticed that I have explained how to play the C major, the G major, the D, the A, the E and the B. And I moved on the circle of fifths on the right side, moving in the direction of the key signatures that are adding step by step one more sharp. From C that has nothing, so 0, black keys, 0 flats, 0 sharps, to G major 1 sharp, D major 2 sharps, A major 3 sharps, E major 4 sharps, B major 5 sharps. We have reached all the black keys. I was supposed to move now on and go reaching the F sharp major, but F sharp major, since it's using only black keys, could be a little bit too complicated for now, even though obviously those that will have to play the F sharp major for the exam will have to study it. But let's complete the package of those starting from a white key. Now I'm moving from the C, that is the, let's say the middle of the circle of fifths, to the left side and reaching the F major, that is the first key signature having 1 flat. And F major luckily has just white keys. It's like the C major, like the G major. So simple, very simple. But anyways, for those that are starting from scratch and that are looking for some example or some explanation, I'm happy to show. Let's dive into the lesson. We have to simply remember that we need the first, third and fifth notes of the scale. Anyways, I invite you to watch the previous tutorials, especially the first where I explain the C major, where it's all very well explained. So if the F major scale is this one, we take first, third and fifth note. But then, for the arpeggio, the right hand will use always 1, 2, 3 when it comes to arpeggios using starting from white keys. And the little finger to end if you play just 1 octave, or to end the second octave if you play 2 octaves or more. And obviously you need the thumb passage to play from 2 octaves up to 4 octaves. Going down, if you play 2 octaves, you will need the crossing over the thumb. If it's just 1 octave, you simply go back. The left hand will need these fingering, so 5, 4, not 3 at all. 2 and 1, and we explained why, because this is the hand of the pianist when playing the arpeggios. The third, I suggest to use when we have 2 white keys in between the first and the second note, but in this case we have just 1 white key. That's why we are using the fourth, so the third doesn't exist. The second is for the third note, the thumb for the fourth. You go down if you play just 1 octave, you cross over the thumb if you play 2 octaves or more, respecting the same identical fingers. To go down, you will have to apply again the thumb passage, same as you do with the right, going up. But let's dive into the single cases. So F major, right hand, 1 octave. F major, left hand, 1 octave. You see, 4 on the second note. I don't use the third, but I leave it here. Now, F major, right hand, 2 octaves. And I apply the thumb passage. F major, left hand, 2 octaves. I have to apply the crossing over the thumb. I play the A, same as I play here with the fourth, I play also here with the fourth. Now F major, 1 octave, hands together. F major, 2 octaves, hands together. As I always do, I repeat also in this, that the 3 technical exercises that you can apply either to the thumb passage or to the crossing over the thumb are exactly these ones. The first time you pause on the note before the thumb passage and you prepare the action. Obviously it's needed for the 2 octaves or more octaves, but placing the thumb on the F where it will go. Step number 2, you will pause exactly on the note played by the thumb, but placing then the following note immediately in position. Step number 3 will be the one of pausing exactly on the one straight after the thumb passage to empower the thumb passage. I'm placing also the next one in position, yeah? It's done also on the left side when you go down from 2 octaves to 3 or 4 octaves. Regarding the crossing over the thumb, we use the left, and we make the first pause on the thumb, preparing the action of the crossing. In this way. Now we pause on the note played by the fingers straight after the crossing over the thumb, placing again the hand in position. And then the pause will be on the last one, on the one straight after, to empower even more the crossing over the thumb. I do it again. These are the technical exercises that I suggest everybody. I hope you are understanding everything, that you are enjoying these tutorials, that you are studying the arpeggios very well. Let me know how things are going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.